Hello, welcome to Uncle J class. If this your first time of watching my channel, please do well and click subscribe. Or if you have been watching my channel without subscribing, do me favor by subscribing so that I will be giving you update anytime there is a new class. We are still on the topic indices slash exponent, lesson 4. We have treated lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson. This is lesson 4. So if you have not watched from lesson 1 to lesson 3, do well and watch it so that you can follow up. What we have here is 16 a raised to power 2 b raised to power 3 times 2a raised to power minus 3 b raised to power minus 1 divided by 8 a raised to power minus 2 b raised to power 1. So how we go about the solution? We will multiply, since it's multiplication, we multiply the whole number with the whole number, the alphabet that are homogeneous with the alphabet. And we notice that when we are multiplying the powers, we add their powers. And when we are dividing, we subtract. So we first of all do the multiplication and now do the division. So what we're going to have is 16 times 2 will give me 32. Okay, a 32a raised power 2 minus is supposed to 32a raised power 2 plus minus 3, and when we have plus minus 3, the minus will prevail. So we now have 2 minus 3. Then b raised to power 3 plus minus 1, which minus will still prevail all over 8a raised to power minus 2b. When we simplify this further, we now have 32 a raised to power 2 minus 3 will give me minus 1. A raised to power minus 1. Then b raised to power 3 minus 1 will give me raised to power 2. Okay, all over 8a minus 2 raised to power minus 2b. Okay, we can still simplify further. Let's finish it up here. 32a minus 1 raised to power minus 1b raised to power 2 raised to power 2 over 8a raised to power minus 2b. Okay, then still in the law of indices, when division is during division we subtract. Okay, what we do is that we subtract the powers. What we do here, we simplify by cancelling 8 and 32. We now have 4 because 8 divides 32 divided by 8 will give me 4. So I have 4. Then a here I now have a raised to power 1 minus 1 minus minus 2. This minus is already here, which is this one. Then the minus as a result of division is this one. Then this minus that is existing is this one. So when we have a raised to power minus 1, when minus occur before 2 times the failed number become plus. So what we now have is a raised to power minus 1 plus 2, which is the same thing as a raised to power 1. Yes, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Okay, then we now solve b raised to power 2 minus 1. 1 because this thing is the same thing as b raised to power 1. So we now have b raised to power 1. So all of them is b raised to power 1 and a raised to power 1 and b and 4a raised to power 1 and b raised to power is the same thing as 4ab. So this is how to go about it.